Hey guys, this is a little short clip I'm making just to show you the little small upgrade I did to the Ram Rebel. As you can see, the bottom skid plate is no longer silver. Last night I spray painted it with some truck liner paint. It's kind of like Line-X. And so I figured that might be a little bit more rugged, especially I live up here in the Northeast where we have a lot of snow and are always using rock salt for the snow to de-ice it. So I decided to go with that. I figure it might be a little bit more durable. And I just did my tow handles too. I spray painted them, took them off the truck. It's not too bad. All you need is just simple hand tools. That's what I use. As you can see there, nothing much. So I'm going to get ready to put the whole thing back together. Take another shot. This way it shows you what it looks like when the job is completed. The bumper and the tow hooks. So I'll get back to you all later.